In this video, I'll show you how to connect and offload WordPress media to Bunny Storage and Bunny CDN with the Next3 Offload plugin. To begin, log into your bunny.net dashboard. Once you've signed in, look at the left-hand navigation and select Storage from the Delivery section. You'll be taken to the Storage Management area. Click the button to add a storage zone and give it a simple name like Neuralbin. This name will also become the username for the zone. Leave the tiers set to standard unless you have a special need for high-speed Edge SSD storage. Choose the storage region closest to your audience, for example, Frankfurt, and skip geo-replication for now. Confirm the creation and you'll be taken straight to the file manager. You also need a CDN endpoint. Navigate back to the delivery section and select CDN. Click Add Pull Zone, enter a name similar to your storage zone, and set the origin type to Storage Zone. Pick the zone you just created from the drop-down list. Choose the tier. I'm selecting Standard, and I'll leave all continents selected so the content can be delivered globally. Once you save, you'll see your new CDN domain, something like neuralbin.bcdn.net, listed under host names. Before heading to WordPress, gather your credentials from bunny.net. In the Storage Zone sidebar, open FTP and API access. Copy the zone's password, which sits next to your username. Then go to your account settings and find the API keys section. Copy the primary API key. You'll need both pieces of information in a moment. Now switch to your WordPress dashboard. After installing Next3 Offload, activate it by entering your license key, then click Next. Choose your website type, optionally enable media offload, image optimization, and database optimization, and click Next to continue. Here, you'll see the full list of cloud providers supported by Next3 Offload. Choose Bunny Storage as the provider. For convenience, select the option that stores credentials in the database. Paste your storage zone's password into the field provided, enter your CDN domain, and paste the API key. Choose the default region that matches your storage zone. Click to continue, and you'll move to the Cloud Configuration step. On the Cloud Configuration screen, choose Select Existing Bucket. Continue to finish the wizard, and you'll land on the plugin's dashboard, ready to use Bunny Storage with WordPress. The Next3 Offload dashboard includes optional settings. In Storage Settings, under Advanced Options, you can enable automatic removal of local media after offloading, enable removal from cloud storage when you delete an item in WordPress, and adjust how many files are processed at a time. Under Delivery Settings, you can rewrite media URLs to ensure they always load from Bunny CDN, force HTTPS for secure connections, force CDN delivery even when you're on the origin server, or disable the delivery cache if necessary. It's time to test. Upload a new image through the media library as usual. When the upload finishes, look at the Next3 Offload column in the media list. You'll see Bunny listed as the provider along with the bucket and region. If you click Copy URL, it grabs the link that points to your new CDN domain. Open a new tab and paste it to verify that your file is served by Bunny. To migrate existing files, go into the Offload settings inside the plugin and click Offload Now. A progress bar will show the transfer. You can also visit the Bunny File Manager and browse to see your media in the appropriate folders. Once you reach this point, your WordPress site is successfully offloading media to Bunny Storage and serving it through the CDN. You can fine-tune delivery and storage behaviors through the plugin's settings, but the core integration is complete, leaving your local server lighter and your visitors enjoying faster, globally distributed media. Thanks for watching and happy offloading.